Just launched in the water here at Belmare Harbor, a 2005 Cruisers Yachts 440 Express, 44-foot mid-cabin express boat in exceptional condition, 8.1 liter Volvo V drives, has brand new sea deck, the composite material on the swim platform and in the cockpit, big storage compartment on the stern, very easy access for your shore power and water in the back. Canvas is only 1 or 2 years old. Won't have to worry about it for a very long time. As you can tell, has the open array radar, Ray Marine electronics. Let's go aboard. Cable master powered shore cord retrieve, very handy with 50 amp. Nice easy walk through transom. Big entertaining area, cockpit, big U-shaped seating, 2 tables, both removable. Fridge here in the cockpit, pressure water sink, brand new cockpit TV just installed. As you can see, we've got the sea deck carrying through into the cockpit. Very nice touch there with the Cruisers Yachts and the flooring. Well-equipped dash, VHF, combination radar chart plotter, just under 1,000 hours. Average on a 2005 boat. Once again, exceptional canvas. Center entrance into the salon. Once again, Cruisers shows its broad-shouldered spaciousness. Galley to port, updated TV, lounging area to starboard, readily accessible distribution panel, fusion stereo, private forward stateroom for guests or kids, door that closes, always a nice feature. Day head with private access from the forward stateroom, vacuum fish head, big fridge, larger than most. Once again, private salon or door for the stateroom, master stateroom. Island berth, so accessible from both sides. Big hanging lockers. Private in-suite head. Separate shower stall, always nice. Lavatory. This is one nice boat. Give a call, won't last long. Available with SkipperBud's here at Belmare Harbor.